Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss with you all. We're going to explore the power of ChatGPT and how it can help you create an entire ebook in just a few simple steps. Yes, you heard that right. With the help of ChatGPT, I've managed to write a complete 24-page ebook, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it too. But before we jump into the process, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future updates. Okay, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is create an account on ChatGPT if you haven't already. Don't worry, it's completely free. Once you're all signed up, it's time to give ChatGPT its first prompt. Type in, "Can you write a complete ebook for me?" And let's see what it comes up with. ChatGPT is incredibly helpful. It responded with, "Of course, I can help you with writing an ebook. Please provide me with the topic or subject you would like the ebook to cover, as well as any specific details or requirements you have in mind." Isn't that amazing? ChatGPT is ready to assist us in writing our ebook. Now it's time to decide the topic for your ebook. You can choose from various subjects like health, investing, digital marketing, time management, money management, and more. For demonstration purposes, let's say we want to write an ebook on money management. Head back to ChatGPT and give it the second prompt. Generate a title for a money management book. This will help us come up with an engaging title for our ebook. Look at that! ChatGPT generated a title for us. Master Your Money, a practical guide to financial freedom. However, if you're not completely satisfied with it, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest more titles. Just type in "suggest more" as the next prompt. Fantastic! ChatGPT provides us with additional title suggestions. Feel free to choose any title that resonates with you. Personally, I found one that caught my attention, so I'll simply copy it. Now let's focus on making the title concise. Since we're creating an ebook, we need a shorter title. I'll ask ChatGPT to shorten it by typing in the prompt, "Please shorten the title," and then paste the title. See how ChatGPT quickly shortens our title? It looks much better now. Perfect! To keep things organized, open Google Docs or Microsoft Word and copy-paste the title there. This will serve as the starting point of our ebook. Now here's where it gets interesting. We need to give ChatGPT another prompt. Generate at least 12 chapters for money mindset, building wealth with effective management. Of course, you can choose to generate more or fewer chapters based on your preference. As soon as I hit enter, you can see that ChatGPT generates 12 chapters for us in a matter of seconds. It's incredible how efficient it is. Copy all the chapters and paste them into Google Docs. This way, your ebook starts taking shape right in front of your eyes. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Now, let's move on. Give ChatGPT another prompt, write a full chapter on, and then copy and paste the first chapter into the prompt. If you want ChatGPT to write the chapter in a user-friendly tone, just add a note like "write in a user-friendly tone" so that people can better understand. When I press enter, you'll see that ChatGPT writes a full chapter for chapter 1 within a minute. It's really impressive. Copy the first chapter and save it in Google Docs. Feel free to add the main heading and make all the other headings bold. You can also increase the font size a bit for a visually appealing look. Repeat this process for all the remaining chapters. Let ChatGPT do the writing, and you copy and paste each chapter into Google Docs. Soon enough, your book will start taking shape right in front of your eyes. Now here comes the final step. Although you have all the chapters written, you can't just sell it as is. You need to give your ebook a professional design, and that's where Sqribble comes in. It's a fantastic tool that allows you to design your ebook in any way you like. I've included the link to Sqribble in the video description, so be sure to check it out. With Sqribble, you can turn your ebook into a stunning, professional-looking piece of work. Just imagine how impressed your readers will be. With Sqribble, you can design any type of ebook you want. Sqribble allows you to create ebooks, reports, white papers, and info products with just a few clicks or taps. It's a stress-free solution that won't break your budget. One of the great features of Sqribble is that it automatically creates a fully themed and editable table of contents page, providing your readers with an incredible user experience. Sqribble also inserts smart headers and footers into your ebook, giving it a professional look and feel. You can add your contact details, logos, branding, or even an engaging call to action on every page. Each page is automatically numbered, saving you time and effort. And the best part is that you can simply drag and drop content onto any page and customize the layout without needing any coding or design skill. Another amazing aspect of Sqribble is that you can create unlimited ebooks without having to spend money on a design. You can check out real customer reviews to see how others have benefited from using Sqribble. Sqribble works on any device with internet access. We've tested it on various computers, tablets, and mobile devices, and it functions seamlessly. To access the link and find out more about Sqribble, please check the description below. Once you've designed your ebook, you can take advantage of platforms like Fiverr, where many people are making money by offering ebook writing services. You can adopt a similar strategy, charging a good price for your services. Additionally, if you have an audience on social platforms such as blogs, YouTube channels, or through Google Ads, you can sell your ebook there as well. If you prefer to have 100% human-generated content in your ebook, you can also use Word.ai. It's a powerful AI rewriter that transforms the content generated by ChatGPT into articles that read as if they were written by a real human. I'll provide the link to Word.ai in the description. So, you've learned how to create an ebook using ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more content. And listen, if you want to learn how to create a money-making YouTube video using AI, then you absolutely must watch these videos.